Here we're given that f of x is x minus 1 x squared take away 16, and we want to show that the differential can be written like this. This is set up for the product rule, but we don't have to use that. Here I might be tempted just to expand it out. So f of x is x cubed minus x squared take away 16x plus 16. So f dashed x is going to be 3x squared minus 2x take away 16, and then we could factorize that as 3x and x. If we put an 8 here and a 2 here, then a plus here and a minus there does the trick. So I don't think we need to do too much more than that. Seems fairly easy for 3 marks. Determine the equation of the tangent to the graph at the point where x is 3. So x equals 3. F of 3 will get us the y-coordinate of this point. So that's going to be 3 take away 1, 9 take away 16. So that's 2 times negative 7, which is negative 14. F dashed of 3 will give us the gradient. So that's going to be 9 take 8. And then 3 plus 2. So that's 1 times 5, which is 5. So we could use y equals mx plus c because we know the tangent is a straight line. And so y is equal to 5x plus a constant, but we know x and y. So negative 14 is equal to 5 times 3 plus a constant. Negative 14 is equal to 15 plus the constant. So the constant must be negative 29. So y is equal to 5x take away 29. What is the maximum value of the function over the domain negative 4 to 4? What I might do here is just do a quick f double dashed of x. Differentiating this one gives me 6x take away 2. And here x could be 8/3, so f double dashed of 8 over 3 would be 6 times 8 over 3 take away 2. So that's going to be positive, and so that one's a minimum, so we don't need to worry about that. F double dashed, the other one would be negative 2. So that's going to be negative, so that's a maximum. So what I need to calculate is f of negative 2. So that's going to give me negative 2 take 1. 4 take away 16. So that's going to be negative 3 times negative 12, giving me 36. But on a restricted domain, we also need to check the endpoints. So f of negative 4 would be negative 4 take 1, so negative 5. But then 16 take away 16 is 0, so that's equal to 0, so that's definitely lower. What's f of 4? F of 4 is going to be 3, 4 take 1, and that's going to be 0 as well, so that's 0. So the maximum value is the 36 when x equals negative 2.